Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Kanban view in Pipedrive. This will help you clearly see your deals and manage your sales pipeline more easily. Let's get started. First, open Pipedrive and go to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Deals. This is where all your opportunities are located. Once you're on the Deals page, look at the top for the View options. Click on Pipeline View. This will switch your screen into a Kanban-style board. Now you are in Kanban view. Here, your deals are organized into columns. Each column represents a stage in your sales process. Inside each column, you will see deal cards. Each card shows important details like the deal name, value, and contact. At a glance, you can quickly see which deals are moving and which ones need attention. You can also drag and drop deals from one stage to another. This makes updating your pipeline very fast and simple. Kanban view is very useful for tracking progress, finding stuck deals, and managing your daily work. It helps you stay organized and focused. Also, switching to this view does not change your data. It only changes how your deals are displayed, so you can always switch views anytime without affecting your information. That's it. Now you know how to use Kanban view in Pipedrive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.